Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how we can communicate Applied Motion Products Ethernet IP devices with CODESYS. So as an example, I have integrated step servo motor TXM34X3B IP communicating with my computer using an Ethernet cable, and I have CODESYS installed in my PC. Now let's check the physical connection. So I have TXM integrated step servo, the 24 VDC power supply connected to the power port of the device, and COM1 has an Ethernet cable going directly into my laptop which has CODESYS installed.